Zipping and unzipping files is super easy on a Mac. To zip files, open a Finder window and locate the files you're trying to zip. Select them and then right-click on one of the selected files. Now just click on the menu item that says Compress. It should be just below the menu item that says Rename. Your zip file will be created in the same folder and should be named archive.zip. Unzipping really doesn't need a guide because all you have to do is double-click on the zip file in order to extract it, since macOS supports this out of the box. If you're having trouble not finding unzipped files, try moving your zip file to an empty folder before unzipping it. Most likely you're just not finding the extracted files because of the parent folder being full of files and not sorted by date. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on how to use your Apple devices.